This is Newark Aviation, and today I have an unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing the Southwest Boeing 737-800. So, yeah, let's get started. We'll first go off with the boxing here. You have your Southwest 737-800 right here. You have the Southwest logo. Here is the registration. It's November 8541 Whiskey. Boeing 737-800 titles, your NG models logo right here, and the Boeing logo right there. And yeah, so let's open it up. All right. This is my first Southwest model, and yeah, I'm getting another Southwest model, waiting for that to come soon, and the models. And yeah, it looks good already. This looks good. Wow, this looks really great. Okay, so starting off, we have our skimmisfire winglet here, and cockpit windows. You have the Southwest. Let me just zoom in real quick. Focus, please. Alright, so here we go. You have the Southwest logo right here, Southwest title, southwest.com on the engines. Winglet. Then you have the hardtail, you have the American flag, and you have the registration November 8541 Whiskey. Looking at the bottom here, we have the logo, the heart, and we have the bottom here, really nice. Looks great. And yeah, that's about it. It's a great model we have here. And so pretty soon I'll be posting my trip report. Tomorrow I'm leaving. And yeah, might as well give off where I'm going. So the trip report will be American Airlines, Newark to Charlotte, and Charlotte to Orlando. So yeah, that's what the trip report is going to be on, and I'm very excited to be filming it. And yeah, I'm going to not really give off too many things just yet. I'll wait for that video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thank you very much.